Hello everyone, I'm Phantom. Welcome back to Mario, the Super Mario Sunshine. God, I had that title wrong. So yeah, last time we left off, we went to a weird place that I kinda got angry at because it wasn't telling me what to do. But I'm all calm now, and I'm ready to go to a lot of places now. Before I do that, I just want to say, thank you guys for watching, supporting my channel, supporting my streamers, everything I do. You guys are awesome, feel awesome, and yeah, don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, what's your favorite thing about? What was your favorite thing about the Pokemon Go event? I know it was like a few days ago, but I'm just kind of so happy I got I counted like 3 Latioses, but I could only capture 2. that just kind of sucked. Anyways, yeah. And also don't forget to join the Dragon Hearts by subscribing and ringing the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload. Alright, and yeah. Let's go. Alright. Let's see, what do we have to do here? Alright. Shadow Mario on the loose again. He's Bowser Jr. Oh, we gotta spray him down. Alright, here we go. It's me, a Mario. Come back here. Let's spray you down. No, wrong one. Ah! I'm invincible. Jump. Come back here. What? How are you? Where'd you go? There you are. Ouch! You dingus! That hurt. Come back here. Oh, you just... Where'd you go? There you are. Spray you! Take water. Take water damage. Come on. There we go. Take this. Ouch! Stupid dingus. Come over here. Take your bath, Junior. Come on. Come on. Nope. Ouch! Stupid dingus. What's with that circle? That circle wasn't there before. Come on. Yeah, I did it.
Gag! I'll remember this!
Hey, Shine. See, that's what I wanted to do. But it wasn't telling me. In the last video, while they're like this, obviously I have to go after Shadow Mario. Yeah, save. God, I am tired. Yeah, I know it's there. Alright. So, let's see. Let's go to the Blooper Beach. I think there's something else I have to go to do in the Blooper Beach. Jump! Excuse me. Sorry I had tacos today. Love tacos. Anyways, what's this one? Red coin underwater. So, what's this? Oh, diddly squat. Oh, do I have to... Oh, please don't tell me I have a time limit. Because I will... Oh, wait, no. What's this? That looks like important. Ooh. Oh, timer. Of course there's a timer. Let's go. Let's go, Greenie. I see it. Aiming. Oh, well, hey. Oh, that is gonna suck. This is definitely gonna suck. Oh, buggers. Oh, God. Oh, diddly dee. Alright. Yeah. Alright. This is just gonna suck like a mother truck. Oh, and jump. Alright, so do I just jump on it or just... No, I had to Grand Slam. Alright, yellow, let's go. I hit. Don't you? Alright. Where am I going? Okay, there we go. Alright. So, don't have to press up, just have to press left. Damn it. Right. Missed one. I missed two. You gotta be kidding me. So, how do I safely get off of this, Cheep? Not Cheep, whatever this is called, blooper. I'm gonna get off the... Jump! Damn. Okay. Alright. Or... Jump! Oh. Oh, hello, I'm not dead. Cool. Alright, I got not that much time left. Alright. Well, oh wait, no, I got plenty of time. I have like a minute left. Or, yeah, a minute. Jump! Nice. Alright, so obviously I can just go across here and not get hit. I hate my life. Oh my god. Alright, yes, I know, guys, I know. It's telling me what to do. I just suck. This is a Matthew. This is a Matthew sucking. Not the game not telling me what to do. God. Alright. Okay, at least I know what. At least I have plenty of time to get all the leftovers. And ground pound. I thought I didn't have to give that much time left. You suck! Alright, Purple, let's go. Alright. So. Do that. Do that. Perfect. Alright. Aim. There we go. Okay. There you are. Gotcha. I definitely got that. Don't you tell me I didn't get it, because I got it. Oh, fudge you. Mother stuffer. Oh, obviously I didn't get you that time. You know what? Wait, I can get that. A jumper! Damn it. Alright. Alright, turn around. Don't hit that. Alright. Actually, do that. Jumpus! Yes. I'm epic. Alright, now, okay. Aim and got it. Ah, that was close. Alright, so aim for this and jump. I got it. Well, that's dumb. That was just dumb. Why am I not? Why don't I get lives? Oh, I do get lives, but why don't I stock on with lives? Son of a gun. Alright, so at least I got that blue coin, so I don't have to worry about that. The Jumpus! Nope. Ready? Alright. Slam! Alright. Come on, yellow! This time I got it. Haha. I'm smarter than you. Alright, so... Whoa, that was close. Nice. Oh god, my eyes are watering for some strange reason. I don't know why. Nice. Right, I don't have to go in there. All I have to do is just do this, aim, and then grab it, and then get it over here. Nice. Alright, so aim the Jumpus and turn. Uh-oh. My bad. What's up with my stupid eyes? Oh, watering for some reason. I don't know why. Alright. Come on. There we go. Alright. Let's try this again. We were doing good. All because we were doing better if I would have not sucked at the jumping part. Anyways. Let's see. It said 8 coins. If memory serves me right. Nope. Jumpus. And the slam. Yep, 8 coins. So, how much was that? Alright. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. But the last 8, the last one is in between those ships. Nope. Alright, so we got 5 already. And Jumpus. Nice. Turn, turn, turn. And aim. Nice. Okay, so there's the last one. So I gotta make sure. Is there a way to like slow me down? Wait, I can do this. I did. Please tell me I don't. Please. Okay. Gotta turn. Okay, cool. Alright. Good thing the timer's not going down, so I have to go back on there. Alright. How do I do it safely? Alright. Here it says the greatest plan. No, no! Okay, cool. I thought I died right for a second there. Alright. Tries again. And a Jumpus! Nice. Oh. 11 minutes in, kind of ish. Oh my god. Ay, ay, ay. Gotta shine. Alright. How many blue coins do I have? I got... Hello. Yeah. How much do I have? 16. Alright, there you go. Alright. Gotta shine at least. Save. 25, that's cool. Yeah. Alright. Let's go all the way over here into the tower-like thing. Alright. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. Jump. At least everything's looking shiny. Or bright. Than it did before. The Jumpus! The Jumpus? There we go. Okay. So what's our job for today? Alright. The sandbird is born? What? What? Oh. Okay. Okay, I guess I have to look for a sandbird. Nope. Alright. Something tells me that weird... Oh god. Alright. Hey! Idiot! Wait, I can ground pound him. Ground pound! Blue coin. Nice! Gun. Nice. Cool. I thought it was gonna be... Ah, go away. Show. Go away. Alright. So... What? Jump. Oh, okay then. Jump. There we go. So, let's make the stairs, and I think we have to go up there. I'm not sure. I don't want to ask around because I'm anti-social. Come on. Nope. Alright. God, I gotta get more lives. No. Not what I wanted. Okay. Up the hill I go. Wow, Mario's fast. Oh great, I have to talk to people. Don't I? Hello.
I know I was a pretty wild child back in my day. Even so, I find myself yelling at the kids to quiet down.
Well, great. You didn't tell me it. Wait a second. Ah, jump! Ah! I can make it! Nice. Jump, and then... Yep. There we go. Oh, hello. Is that the legendary Skybird? Oh, red coins. Hello.
Mario.
Uh-huh. The Legend of Sandbird is climbing around the towers. Watch your feet. Oh, God! Ooh, nice. That's what I was trying to get. Alright, this seems... quite... Life. Come on, give me life. Oh, yes, I love life. Alright, this seems... quite easy. Oh, God. Get to the cloud! Uh-oh. Wait, second. How do I get back to the Sandbird? Does it make a loop around? There's no way I'm gonna get up there. Oh my. Does that? Okay, so how am I gonna get to the Sandbird? Did the Sandbird come back actually? Sandbird! Come on! Come back down! Alright. Sweet, here it comes. Alright, cool. Does do a loop around. Here's my ride! Am I gonna make it? It's worth it. Alright. Alright, so let's go back collecting these stuff again. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh. What are you doing? Whoa, why did you do that? No, okay. 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 Well, screw that blue coin. Nice. Alright, before anything else happens, I'm gonna collect this red coin. Nice. Alright, screw the blue coins. And got it. Wait, where's the last one? Wait, is it on that cloud? No, not that cloud. Why are you saying that? Why are you saying that, Sandbird? Where's... Oh! No, that's a blue coin. Where's the last red coin? Is it up on that pillar? Uh-oh. No, 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 no. Okay, cool. Ooh. Alright. Uh-oh. No, 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 Sandbird! Why? Why? Uh-oh. Don't turn, don't turn, don't you dare turn. You stuffer, where? Okay. Made it. Woo! Come on. Come on. Nice. It's not worth it. Jump. There we go. Alright, so gotta go all the way up there now. Alright. Anytime you want to go move faster, bird. Yeah, this is gonna take a long ass time. Come on. Returning. Excuse me. Okay. Oh, now you are. No, 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 no! No! Okay, cool. I lived. The last coin. Oh. That's why you call everyone a pro gamer move. Thank you, Songbird, and I'll never come and see you again. Ugh. Anyways, let's grab this. Awesome. Yahoo! Or whatever. Oh my god, that took long as I wanted it to. Ugh. Yes, I know. I know about that stupid center. Well, let's go back to that stupid center. Ay, ay, ay. Man, I hope they tell me what to do and not, like, make me guess what to do. 'Cause that's annoying. Anyways. Alright, so let's go up here now. Nork Bay. Red coin in a bottle. Alright, so since there's a bottle, if I have to guess, we have to go in that bottle, right?
Oh, I've got it. Yes, I surely do have it. What do I got? Why, the answer to our pollution ocean problem, of course. And the answer is you. You must go to the ocean floor. Of course, that is impossible. For you at the moment. Therefore, I made an area for you to hone your skills. Bloop, blop, bloop, bottle. Okay. Oh, hey! Wear this, and now you can stay on the water as much as you want. Using the flood to move around and get the red coins. But don't overdo it. If you run low on air, here's what you do. Just grab some regular coins to refuel your meter, okay? Now, shall we get started?
Oh, we're shrunken. Okay. Whoa, we are tiny little people. Wait, how do I? Oh, use the flood. Okay. Okay. All right. There. No. There we go. No. Come on. Stop. Stupid dingus. Now you made me lose track of where. Alright, so there's a few. Alright. Okay, so there's 3. Where's... Did I get 4? Alright. 5. I don't know. Okay, why can't I not, like... Alright. Okay. No! Oh, this is annoying. Okay. Alright. No. Why is this being such a bug? What was that? No, go away. Shoot. Nice, I got 4. Okay. Alright. 5. 6. Oh god. No. Still 5. Where's the other coin? Wait, I see. Oh, wait. Whoa. What the heck? Let me just grab it. Just let me. What the heck? Just let me friggin' grab that coin. You are being such a butt today. Fudge you! Give me that stupid coin. Thank you. That's all I ever wanted. Okay. Where is that other red? The other 2. Look there. No, go away. Alright. Oh, come on. Yes, cool. And I think I know where the last one is. Right in here. Nice. Alright. There's that shine. This one's easy. This one's easy. If I can grab it. Come on. Come on. Come on. You're gonna be difficult, aren't you? Come on. Come Come on. There we go. Awesome. Yay. At least it tells me what to do this time. Oh yeah, let's look at Strange Aura again. All right, so let's go back to the first one to see what we need. Cause I like going all around the places. Should probably stick to one, but whatever. There we go. Well, is there anything else we need to do in here? Hello? Oh, hello. Red coins of the lake. Okay, so we have to collect another red coin. Cool, it's just red coinception. Awesome. Alright. So at least this one's gonna be fun, because I like collecting red coins, and it's easy task. Jump. Okay then. Excuse me. Alright. Oh god. Ah, for Pete's sake. Here. Sorry, I'm trying to lodge my lunch down. Or not lunch, but dinner down. My throat. Nope. Okay. There we go. Jump. Okay. Jump. Jump. And jump. Oh, okay. Jump. And jump. Hello. There's a guy up there. Is that the life guy, actually? If memory serves me right. Jump. 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 There we go. Ready? And we made it. Hey, dude. Gonna squash you off. You the life guy?
You, thanks for saving me a bunch.
No, you should have a blue coin. I could have sworn there's lives around here. I mean, I could be wrong. Alright. What the heck is that? Is that a yellow bird? Well? No, it's a banana. Why are there bananas? Actually, fruit, for that matter. Oh, my. I wonder, what happens if you screw this? Come on. Okay, guess nothing will happen. Okay, now, see, now this is all done. Okay. Alright. Gotta aim. Nope. And aim. Alright. A little to the left. And jump. No. Come on. No, that's not where I wanted to go. Come on. A little there. A little bit over there. Jump. Got it. Thank you. Alright, so there's a red coin up there. Okay. Alright. Oh, that was close. Oops. What the heck? Fudge you dingus. Alright. So that's where the red coin is. Where's the other red coin? Oop. Now we get it on easy. Alright. What is that guy doing? He looks like he's just standing there in place. Damn it. Get back here. Get back here. Come on. There we go. Oop. Alright. Alright. And no! There we go. What are you doing? What are you doing?
This is the Surfing Spring Cave. And it's open. Enter by all means.
No, I already know what's down there. Right? So... Oh. Hang on. Whee! I'm a Jesus! There we go. Awesome. Cool. Alright. So. Okay. Cool. Yeah, that's a nice. Ouch. Ah, bees! Okay, cool. I lived. Go. Oh crap, I don't have my jetpack mode on me. Oh, fudge. Fudge-a-rooney. Nope. Mother stuffer. Right. No, that's not what I wanted. Nope. Alright. So, climb up. Jump. Jump. Nice. Alright. Jump. Jump. Nice. Jump. Nice. Alright. There's a red coin. Jump. Nice. Awesome. So, there's another red coin. How do we get up there? There we go! Alright. Alright. Ouch! That hurts. Alright. Let me get this pack. Nope. Jetpack mode. Nope. Alright, so I guess we have to go do some jumping around up there. So I jump it. Wait, I got an idea. I got a big brain mode. Oh yeah, it's big brain time. Go. Oh yeah, it's big brain time. Hello, rocket pack. Go. Alright. Oh yeah, this is definitely big brain time. Alright. Alright. Hey, woohoo! Nice. Dang it. Here we go. Ouch. Okay, try this again. Nice. Nice. There we go. Alright, so grab this. Nice. Alright, cool. Alright. Here we go! Oh. Maybe I should line myself up. Okay, here we go! Nice. Alright. So, red coin is straight away. No, you don't, mother stuffer. Oh, you stuffing idiot. God. Alright, try this again. Whee! Come on. Nice. Alright. Okay. And launch. What? Why didn't it launch me? Actually, wait a second. I could have just done this. Oh, I'm an idiot. Alright, got it. Got it. So, I have to go up there now. Go. Jump. Jump. Get the hedge away from me. Alright, so. Jump this! Ouch! Alright. Oh, come on. Give me a coin. There we go. Alright. So. And jump. Nice. Alright. A few more red coins left. And I see one right there. Oh, come on. Super! Forgot about that. Alright. Jump! Cool. Jump this. Oh, God. Well, at least I landed in the water. Okay. At least I got it. At least now I know what to do. Here we go! Yes! Awesome. Ike! Alright, that's cool. Jump this. Nice. Alright, here it comes and a jump this. Nice, I got 6. Yes! Jump! Uh-oh. I lived. Cool. Alright. Nope. Ooh, that was close. Not you again. Where? What happened? Hang on. Can I get that? Yes, I can. Come on. Come on. Nice. Cool. Nope. Oh, guess that doesn't work on the water. Alright. Alright, so I need 2 more coins left. Hey! Nope. Want to scream from the chandelier. Here we go! Ouch. Jump. And a jump is... Alright, so there's a... Like... Why? Okay, there's 1 red coin up there. At least I can easily access like this. No. Okay then, that's your way. We'll just go over here. Alright, jump. Nope. Alright, so. Oh! I get it now. Okay. Oh yeah. I get it now. Alright. I definitely get it now. Alright, so... Alright. Here. So, where does this link? Ah! Got these. Oh. Ah! Excuse me. Alright, so... Okay. So... I guess right up here. Alright, can I jump? There we go. Jump! Ah, damn it! There we go. Nice. Oh, you sack of poop. Gosh, darn it. There we go. There we go. Here we go! Why? Come on. Jump! Oh, so close. Come on. Go. Nice. Jump. Jump! Nice. And there. Alright, so where's that red coin? Okay, right up there. That means I'm missing 1 red coin. Did I forget a red coin? Or is it somewhere over there? Ironically. Well, since I'm here, I guess I can... You gotta be kidding me. Ay, ay, ay. You gotta be flipping kidding me. Ay, ay, ay. Jump. No. Come the stick on. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. Oh, you faithful. Joyful and triumphant. Oh, nice. Alright, so try this again. Jump. 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 Nice. Son of a gun. Jump. There we go. Come on. Why aren't you getting on? Jump. Jump. Jump! Damn it. Jump. Oh, hey, did it. Jump. Jump. Okay, that missed. That's fine. Right there. Okay. Now, do not miss. Oh, great. You go back and forth. Right? So where is the red coin? Right here. Jump! Now. Okay. Jump. Jump. Nice. Jump! Alright. Okay, I guess the red coin's not here somewhere. So, let's go to the other side. Jump. And jump this. There we go. Alright. There we go. Nice. There we go. And jump it. There we go. Awesome. Ouch! What is that thing? Alright. Nice. So, that makes sense. I go up here and then see. Oh, that's a blue coin. Don't need a blue coin. It's a red coin. Where is that red coin? Where is it? I don't see it. Let's see. Okay. Right. Okay. Alright. And launch me. There we go. Wait, is that red coin right over yonder? Well, is it? At least got this blue coin. Cool. I don't see it. So, does it have to be like... Did I just not check well over there? Or is it like right behind the... That wasn't there before. Okay, so I'm just a dumbass. Ouch. Like to get hit a lot. Yeah. Go away. I can't believe I gotta go there again. I wonder if I can just cheese it. Alright. Here we go. Jump. Nice. I can cheese it technically. Okay. What? I didn't even do that. Here we go. Jump. Woohoo! Nice. Nice. Perfect. Okay. How do we get over there? Okay. Oh, I think I know how. Nose dive! Nice. Alright. Boost me up. Cool. Alright. Nice. So if my calculations are correct, I am in the wrong area. But if I do this jump right, I miss. Okay, try this way. Jump this! And I'm nowhere near it. So that's just grand. Go over here. Jump! And I'm just too under short. I need to get up there somehow. If only there was a way to get up there that's quick. Let me try... No. No. Well, that means I lose the power of this pack. Just get, like barely get across. I don't think I can even get across. Let's see. Jump. No. Hi. Okay. So let's try it this way. Nice. I forgot to do that. And jump this. Alright. Okay. Uh-huh. Sweet butt time. try going to the highest peak. I cannot go up. That wasn't the plan. There we go. And I can make it. Got aim. Perfect. I don't think I can do that again. Even if I tried. Let's get this blue coin. Nice. Save. Alright. Nice. Oh, that was close. Alright. Okay, let's get this last red coin. Alright. Underneath. Alright. Jump. Nice. Okay, good. It's right there. Okay. And... okay. Why were you jumping, Mark? Oh, wow. Oh, wow, that was cool. And made it. Awesome! That was fun. Kind of ish. Kind of frustrating, but not as frustrating as, you know, not telling me where to go. And on that note, I'm gonna exit out. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, guys. We collected a lot of shrine and rode on a giant sandbird, which is kind of weird. Never thought I would say the words, but whatever. I'm Matt Fan. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye.